In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use your phone as your Roku remote on your Roku TV or streaming device. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. You're going to want to begin by actually getting on your mobile device and downloading the official Roku app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Whenever it's installed, open that app on your phone and just make sure your phone is connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network as your Roku device, otherwise it will not connect it. To check your Wi-Fi device on your Roku, go ahead and go up to your settings, go to network, and then go to set up connection, hit wireless, since your phone's probably not using a wired connection, and this is going to show you all of your network connections. Find, whatever network connection your phone is using and connect to the exact same one. After doing so, head back onto your phone, open up the app, and sign into the same Roku account, and then just tap the TV icon up at the bottom of the screen. It'll say connect now, allow local network access if prompted, and just wait for your Roku device to disappear. And whenever you have that done, you just gotta tap the remote button on the app and you'll see the on-screen remote, which will let you control your Roku just like a physical remote. You can navigate menus, open up apps, and control playback directly from your phone. Now, if your physical remote isn't working, you can use the Roku app to go into your settings, remotes, and devices, and then troubleshoot or add a new remote. But that is it. That is how you could go ahead and use your phone as a Roku remote. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.